Hey YouTube, Native Stacker here again. Just wanted to do a short video today, and this is an island I'm building in my kitchen. And I wanted to show you guys this, and the reason I'm showing you this is because I wanted to talk about other ways to invest, like investing in your home. Now, I could have got probably more than a couple tubes of Silver Eagles for what it cost to build this, or probably a half ounce of gold and some eagles or something, but I don't know, you tell me. You think this was a better investment? Alright, let's look at some silver. As you can see right there in the sunburst, some pretty good sized nicks. It's a 2019. My last video I showed these. I got these from the bargain bin. A 2018 and 4 2019s. So picked that one up from the bargain bin. And these ones are all 2019s. And it's hard to see, but they've got just a little bit of discoloration. The only one that really had any major problems was that one there with the big nicks in the sunburst. Also, got this. This is one of them shipwreck Britannia's quarter ounce 2013. And when I picked it up, it was really, I like the Britannias. I haven't bought any yet, but I like the design. And when I picked it up, I thought I was paying a little too much, because he wanted $6 for this quarter ounce. So that's a pretty good premium. But then I figured I'd start looking around to see how much other people were asking for these, like on eBay and stuff like that, and found out, man, I got a really good deal on it, because the cheapest one I found was $13 plus shipping. So I must have done pretty well on that. I just picked it up because I thought it was really neat, small little round. So I know a lot of you have been watching the stock markets, been watching, gold and silver spot prices, and it seems like it's very, very, very volatile. The stock market, gold and silver. They're actually silver has been kind of more stable than gold or the stock markets. Really, it's acting naturally more than either one of those. But it's almost like investors are confused as to what they should be doing. They do big sell-offs, and Dow Jones and S&P and everything. They'll jump into the VIX, to try and make back some of their losses. Then they get some kind of news, from the president or the feds or something. Then they jump back into the stocks. Then after they calm down for a minute, then they decide, oh, wait a minute, maybe I shouldn't be here, and they try and move back out. They get their money back out of there. And gold, I've watched several interviews on the gold and silver spot, and what they're talking about there is that, gold is kind of being treated as a commodity right now. It's moving up and down with the stock market. People are buying into the price, the stocks, mining stocks and stuff. Then they back out, then they buy in. So it's been really kind of rocking up and down. We got over $1,700 an ounce there for a few minutes, and then, you know, as we speak, it's at 16.55 right now. But silver has kind of been acting natural. It's kind of been just wavering, you know, right about 16. Oh, I don't know, 1650 to 1710, right in there. And it doesn't, you know, it doesn't seem to be shooting way up or way down. So I don't know, you know, I just think there's quite a bit of confusion in the stock market right now, and they're not sure what they should be doing. But you know, why don't you leave me what your thoughts are, what you think about this whole thing. And I know that in China they're saying that, you know, they're getting about 80% of their factories up and running. So there should be an uptick in precious metals, gold and silver, because they'll be using them over there again. They'll be, you know, starting up to make phones and TVs and stuff. So gold and silver prices will be going up, but will it happen soon? Will it happen fast? I don't think so. I think it's going to be a gradual gain on those, and the reason for that is because they're not going to be able to be selling. Of course, they're not going to be able to be selling as much of it as they were before, you know, before this all started happening with the beer virus. So, those are my thoughts, and I'd like to hear yours. You know, leave me a message in the comments, and, you know, let me know what you think. But I'm still stacking, even if it's just cute little things like that, or the bargain bin eagles. I like those. Working on another tube, so since there's only 118 in here, I don't know, maybe I'll start a 19. Maybe I'll work on a 19 tube, and then, or maybe I'll just leave them random dates again. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, have fun, everyone. See ya.